Hi. So in this section, we will learn about how to copy a list. Okay. So let me take a heading first. Copy list. Okay. Now just suppose here I am taking a list called Sharad is equal to apple. Okay. The same example I am taking what we have created previously. Now banana and one more, let's say, is cherry. Okay. Look here, if you want to copy it, then you cannot copy a list simply by typing, let's say, list 1 to list 2 or Sharad to any other new list, because the list 2, what let it be list 1. Just suppose this is list 1 and you want to copy it to list 2. Okay, so here the problem is um, list 2 will only be a reference to list 1. Okay, and whatever changes you made, those changes made in list 1 will automatically also be made in list 2. Okay, this is the actual reason behind the copying. But the good thing is there are ways to make a copy of it, and the one way is to use the inbuilt function of list method, which is so called copy. Okay, by using copy. So you must understand first the basic logic behind this. That's the reason I told you this thing. Okay, so just suppose this is list 1, which is so-called apple, banana and cherry, and you want to copy this list to a new list which is called list 2. Okay, so what I'll do, first I'll copy it, list 1. Okay, I'll copy this. So for copying this, I'll use dot copy. Okay, and I'll just save this list, this new list, to list 2. Okay, and if I'll print this, print the list 2. If I'll run this, the same output is there of list 1. Okay, means list 1 is now copied in list 2. Okay, and another way, let me show you another thing. Another way to make a copy is to use the inbuilt method that is called simply list, not copy, just simply list. Okay, another method, like just suppose list 1 is equal to the same apple, banana, cherry. Okay, now list 2 is equal to, here we will do list and then list 1. This is one of the simplest method, and if I'll print the list 2, it is copied. Okay, so these two are the simplest method of copying a list to another list. But you should understand this, you always cannot copy the list simply by typing list 2 is equal to list 1, what you have did in the previous videos, like assigning. Okay, so don't do this. Most of the people are doing this thing. Let me show you. Like list 1 is equal to list 2. Don't do this. Okay, because list 2 will only be a reference to list 1 here, and changes made in list 1 will automatically also be made in list 2. Okay, so those would be a problem in you, for you, when you do a large project or something. Okay, so here I shown you two ways, so that just do it by these two methods, you will get the output whatever you want. Okay, so that's all for this section of copy. I'll see you in the next video.